Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into something special for all you tech enthusiasts out there, the UGREEN Nasync DXP8800 Plus. This isn't just any NAS. It's a powerhouse designed to redefine what you expect from network-attached storage solutions. Let's unpack why this might just be the ultimate NAS for your needs. First off, let's talk design. The Nasync DXP8800 Plus exudes premium build quality. It's crafted from thick aluminum, giving it a robust and professional look. The lockable drive trays add a layer of security, while the tool-less design makes installation a breeze. What impressed me most are the small details like the magnetically attached air filter and the thoughtful placement of ports and indicators. Under the hood, this NAS is packing serious hardware. Powered by an Intel Core i7-1235U processor with 10 cores and 12 threads, along with Intel Iris Xe graphics. It's not your average NAS CPU, it's more like a high-end workstation in NAS form. With up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and support for 8 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives, plus 2 M.2 NVMe SSDs, storage options are virtually limitless. In terms of connectivity, the DXP8800 Plus doesn't disappoint. It features dual 10 GB LAN ports for blazing fast network speeds, dual Thunderbolt 4 ports for high-speed data transfers, and a PCIe slot that allows for further expansion, perfect for adding more network interfaces or even upgrading to higher storage capacity in the future. Now, let's talk about the software side, the UGREEN Pro operating system. It's clear UGREEN is aiming for versatility and performance here. While still in its early stages, UGREEN Pro shows promise with frequent updates and features like Docker support for running containers, which opens up a world of possibilities for custom applications and services. In real-world performance, the DXP8800 Plus shines. Whether you're streaming 8K content via HDMI, managing large datasets, or running multiple virtual machines through Docker, the Core i7 processor handles it all with ease. It's a testament to the hardware's capability and the potential this NAS has for professional use cases. So, should you consider the UGREEN Nasync DXP8800 Plus? If you're a professional needing robust storage with exceptional performance potential, absolutely. Despite its early OS stage, the hardware here is top-notch and future-proofed with room for upgrades. For enthusiasts and businesses looking to invest in a high-performance NAS solution, the DXP8800 Plus is definitely worth exploring. That wraps up our review of the UGREEN Nasync DXP8800 Plus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and insights. Let me know in the comments what you think about this NAS or if there are any other products you'd like me to review next. Until next time, thanks for watching Product Critique.